Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll explore how to repair the hinges on your Lenovo laptop. This guide will take you through the necessary steps and tools required for a successful repair. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a precision screwdriver set, a plastic spudger, and some cleaning alcohol with microfiber cloths for internal cleaning. Begin by turning off your laptop and unplugging it. Remove the battery if your model allows. Next, we'll need to unscrew the back panel. Use the appropriate screwdriver size from your precision set to avoid stripping the screws. As you work, keep track of the screws in a small container to prevent losing any. Once the back panel is removed, gently disconnect any internal cables that might obstruct the hinge area. Be cautious and take your time here. After this, locate the hinge screws on both sides of the laptop. These are usually smaller than the back panel screws. Carefully unscrew the hinges. If you notice any debris or dust buildup around the hinge area, this is a good time to clean it. Use your microfiber cloth slightly dampened with cleaning alcohol to wipe away any dirt. This will help improve the hinge's movement after reassembly. If you find that the hinges are loose but not broken, you might need to apply some thread locker to the screws when you reassemble them. This will help keep them tight over time. However, if the hinges are broken, you will need to replace them. You can find replacement hinges online or at local electronics stores. Make sure to purchase hinges that are compatible with your specific Lenovo model. Now, if you're not comfortable performing this repair yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assess the issue and provide you with a detailed quote before repair, ensuring transparency in the process. Once you have the new hinges, install them by reversing the steps we took to remove the old ones. First, attach the new hinges to the laptop chassis. Make sure they are aligned correctly. Then, screw them in firmly but avoid over-tightening, as this could cause damage. After securing the hinges, reconnect any cables you previously disconnected before replacing the back panel. Ensure everything is in its correct position. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, replace the back panel and screw it back into place. Reinsert the battery if applicable, and power on your laptop to test the new hinges. Make sure they open and close smoothly without any resistance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help, as we provide a quote before repair to make sure you know what to expect. In summary, repairing your Lenovo hinges can be a straightforward process with the right tools and techniques. Whether you choose to do it yourself or utilize our services, you can ensure your laptop remains functional and stylish. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.